Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here you are looking with me on 2005 Toyota Corolla. I perform a bunch of inspection because I see this car first time ever. It came first time. I already can see that front brake pads are too thin. It's 1 to 2 millimeters, so this needs to be replaced ASAP. But this video will be about the rear drum brakes. You can see them here, right, nicely. And I will show you how to get inside of these rusted drums which are stuck on it and they don't want to go off. And the problem with rust, it's right here, right? That's where that drum is rusted and doesn't want to give up. So close your ears, right? This didn't help. Whacking it, it doesn't want to break it, right? I can pull the drum towards to you, it doesn't want to give. This is what you do. You have these two holes and they are threaded, right? So you have these screws. This is M as a metric and it's a number 8. The size of it is 8. And if you want to be extra careful, you can also lubricate that thread. Let's do that. So I've put a little bit of anti-seize on that thread because I don't want to strip it and I want that screw going in as easy as possible. Here is the second one, right? And this is, I'm doing inspection. I want to see how those shoes are looking inside. Now these heads I believe are M12. So I will grab number 12. And let's see if we can break together, loose that drum, right? And I'm going very careful. I need to feel it. So that already started pushing on the backing on that hub. This one is still coming in, and now I feel the resistance, right? So now I will be choosing small increments and try to break that drum from that hub. You could also lubricate that area, right? Did you hear that? I'm trying to show it to you in the live, right? You can see what's happening with it and how it will give. So I'll be quiet and listen to that. Anytime it will pop. I see something's moving right here. Why am I showing to you? Just last week I got here another truck for inspection. Some idiot tried to pry it off here, right? He took a screwdriver or pry bar. He thought that he can pry away that drum, prying on that backing. Well, that backing is soft. It was all ripped and damaged and it was just a nightmare. So, of course, we don't do that, right? We are doing it professionally. And this is what will happen here. So carefully. That's what I wanted to show you. Did you hear that? I'm pretty sure you did. That's what broke that rust, right? It was like glued together or rusted together, whatever you want to call it. I still continue careful. Do you hear that? Because in the case, there will be problem with those shoes. They will be sticky. I don't want to rip them off and destroy those brakes. So you have to keep rechecking. As I said, I could loop that. Let me pause the camera. Of course, there are many ways to speed it up or make it better, right? You can try to remove that rust with this brush, or speed it up again, right? To make it easier, that process, you can use that penetrating oil or some different lubricants. That's all up to you. But the main job, right, to breaking it free, basically, to breaking it free, these are these two bolts. And again, I have to be careful. I don't want to damage inside. So I'm checking and carefully removing that drum away. And I want to show it to you. I will not pause the camera on purpose, that you see the whole procedure live, how much time it takes, and so on, right? So listen, that's probably enough. I will reverse my ratchet, remove these screws, right? Let's get rid of them. Can you see it perfectly? Yes, you can. Good. So this is fantastic. And that was enough. I don't need them. The rust and everything would break loose enough that I will be able, towards to you, as we said, right? Remove that drum. Here we go. As we expected, it's full of brake dust. So protect yourself from that. This is very harmful to the human health. But here you got it. You can see the inside, and also you can see immediately this shoe is way bigger than this one. This one is super thin, and I will have to recommend its owner to replace those brake shoes. Right, let me show you the other side. Hopefully you see how thin it is. Right, so it's uneven wear. The front is way thinner than the back. The back looks almost original, but this one really it's thin. It's between 1 and 2 millimeters. Its thinnest somewhere right here, right, and that needs to be addressed. Meanwhile, of course, I can use the brake clean and spray it completely and so on, but that will be for different videos. So in this video I want to show you what you do when that drum is stuck around here on that hub. It's rusted together. Now you know what to use and how to do it professionally without damaging anything. So if you like the video, give it a thumb up, and absolutely make sure you are subscribed, because I have way more videos coming to you from my shop soon. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, my friend.